You might not feel it, but your liver could be silently drowning in fat. What starts as a small buildup can quietly grow into full-blown fatty liver disease. And the scary part? Most people have no idea it's happening until it's too late. But here's the good news. Your liver has an incredible ability to regenerate. And with the right steps, you can clean it, heal it, and even reverse the damage, naturally. Let's break down the most effective, research-backed ways to clean a fatty liver. Not with trendy detox teas or crash diets, but with science, food, and smart daily habits. Step 1. Cut out the real culprit, sugar and refined carbs. The most damaging substance to a fatty liver isn't alcohol, it's sugar. And not just table sugar, but all its sneaky cousins. High fructose corn syrup, white bread, pastries, sugary drinks, even healthy granola bars. When you consume too much sugar and refined carbs, your liver turns the excess into fat and stores it. Over time, this leads to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, now shockingly common, even in children. To clean your liver, you must eliminate or drastically reduce your intake of processed sugars and refined carbs. Instead, switch to complex carbs like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. These support better blood sugar control and help your liver burn stored fat instead of storing more. It's not about starving your body, it's about feeding it right. Step 2. Embrace healthy fats. Yes, fats. It might sound counterintuitive, but eating the right fats can help reduce liver fat. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel have been proven to reduce liver inflammation and lower liver fat levels. Even extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, can help improve liver enzyme levels and aid in fat metabolism. On the flip side, avoid trans fats like the plague. These are found in many fried and packaged foods, and they've been directly linked to worsening fatty liver conditions. Swap vegetable oils for olive or avocado oil and snack on nuts, seeds, and natural nut butters in moderation. The right fats can help your liver do its job more efficiently.
The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video.
Step 3. Coffee, your unexpected ally. While everyone talks about drinking more water, which is important, there's a particular beverage that deserves your attention: coffee. Yes, plain black coffee, without sugar and cream, has liver protective benefits. Studies have shown that drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily can reduce the risk of liver fibrosis, lower liver enzyme levels, and even decrease inflammation. The antioxidants and compounds in coffee help reduce oxidative stress on the liver and improve its ability to metabolize fat. But remember, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can strain other organs, especially your adrenal system. If you're sensitive to caffeine, consider decaf. It still contains many of the helpful compounds. Step 4. Eat to heal. Liver-boosting foods. Certain foods are like medicine for your liver. One of the most powerful is cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. These veggies contain compounds that increase the liver's ability to detoxify and help flush out toxins and fat. Next up is garlic. A small clove of raw or cooked garlic a day can help reduce liver fat by activating liver enzymes and reducing inflammation. Beets and leafy greens like spinach and kale are also powerful liver detoxifiers, thanks to their high antioxidant and nitrate content. Then there's turmeric, the golden spice known for its anti-inflammatory power. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can help reverse liver damage and prevent fat accumulation. Add it to your food or take a standardized supplement if needed. Your liver will thank you. Step 5. Lose weight. Gently. Weight loss is essential for reversing fatty liver, but how you lose it matters. Rapid weight loss, especially from crash diets or starvation plans, can actually worsen liver function and cause dangerous stress on the body. Instead, aim for a slow and steady weight loss. About 1 to 2 pounds per week is ideal. This allows your liver to adjust and gradually burn away stored fat without becoming overwhelmed. Focus on a diet rich in lean protein, complex carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber. Pair this with regular movement and you'll start to see real, sustainable changes. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our health-transforming videos. And if you're serious about healing your liver, leave a comment below with "Liver Strong." We'd love to hear from you. Step 6. Work out daily. Heal deeply. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools to clean a fatty liver. Even moderate movement, like walking for 30 minutes a day, can reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and boost overall liver function. The key isn't intensity, it's consistency. Aerobic exercises such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming are highly effective. But resistance training, like lifting weights or body weight exercises, also plays a big role. It increases your muscle mass, which burns more calories even at rest, helping reduce liver fat over time. The goal is to be active most days of the week. Step 7. Say no to the alcohol completely. Even though non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, isn't caused by alcohol, drinking can dramatically worsen the condition. Alcohol is processed by the liver and can lead to inflammation, scarring, and progression to cirrhosis, especially when your liver is already compromised by fat. If you want to reverse fatty liver, reducing or eliminating alcohol is a must. Even small amounts can slow down the healing process. Try alcohol-free alternatives or sparkling water with citrus if you miss the social element. The less work your liver has to do detoxing alcohol, the more energy it can spend on healing. Step 8. Sleep, your liver's nighttime healing partner. Sleep might seem unrelated, but poor sleep has been closely linked to increased liver fat, insulin resistance, and inflammation. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone and other restorative compounds that support liver detox and regeneration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Avoid screens an hour before bed, eat your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping, and keep your room dark and cool. A healthy sleep cycle ensures your liver can carry out its most important functions while you rest. Step 9. Try a liver-friendly eatings. Let's walk through what a simple day might look like. Breakfast: a veggie-packed omelet with spinach, garlic, and turmeric, plus a side of avocado and black coffee. Lunch: grilled salmon over a quinoa and beet salad, drizzled with olive oil and lemon. Snack: a handful of walnuts or almonds and a green tea. Dinner: stir-fried broccoli and cauliflower with tofu or lean chicken served over brown rice. This type of daily eating supports liver detox, reduces inflammation, and gives your body the tools to melt away liver fat gently and naturally. Step 10. The liver is an incredibly resilient organ, but it doesn't heal overnight. Most people begin to see improvements in liver enzyme levels and fat reduction after 3 to 6 months of consistent lifestyle changes. Don't rush. Don't compare your journey to others. Keep eating clean, moving daily, and making smart choices, and your liver will gradually recover. Patience, consistency, and trust in the process are your best allies. Fatty liver didn't develop in a week, and it won't disappear in a week. But with dedication, full reversal is absolutely within reach. If you have tried any of this before but didn't know their actual benefits, drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. And if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our health-transforming videos.
Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.